Hello guys, welcome to ARD channel Learn with Interest. So as I promised you all, now I brought the Garena Free Fire, one of the most interesting downloaded game with more than 500 million download, and I think most of you have been aware of it. After PUBG, the one of the biggest game is Free Fire. So let's begin without wasting time. Okay friends, you can send me friend invitation on my name, that is Khiladi hash 789, that is Khiladi hash 789. So today we are going to play in solo mode, and this will be classical mode Bermuda. First let me claim all my rewards, then I will start. So we are going to play solo classic Bermuda. You can see the maps are here. We are going to play Bermuda. So we are going back, and we're going to start the game without wasting time. Yo. So friend, be ready for this interesting game that I brought for you all. Like, comment, subscribe and share with your friends for further videos on gaming, speech, dance, etc. And I think all of you are fine because nowadays corona is in action. But now we'll do action in this game. You can wait for a while. I think some network disturbance is there, but it will come. Surely it will come. See, now it is started. It will come surely, I know. See, so we have entered in the battleground. Now we will start it. So let us see where we have to go. We'll land here only. So as I have said you all, you can send friend request on my ID, that is Khiladi has 789. Now let us do loot. So many people are coming down here only. It is so dangerous place. We have came to, I think, Pochinki. Yeah, we are in Pochinki only. So here you will get so many people, and loot is, I'm not able to get the gun. Otherwise they will shoot out at me. No loot, oh my god. What will happen? So we got the gun. Let us search for a man to shoot out. Yo. So we have killed the one person. So let us loot his. Many are here down right now. Oh, set, we have died. Yeah, this guy is amazing. He have, I think, scope. Oh my god. So guys, no props will win, of course. He is a high level guy, you can see, and we are still on 5th or 6th level, and he is, I think, of 20 to 30. So we'll, no props, will do it again. So let's, till then, take care, bye bye.